All right. Now let us discuss about confidence interval interpretation. So if we construct the 95% confidence interval for the mean income, and if you solve that in the previous slide we have discussed, if you solve that, you would get this. $1,576, $2,404. What does that mean? Does it mean that the mean balance of the population lies in the range? Or does it mean that the mean balance is in this range 95% of the time? Or does it mean that 95% of the alumni have balance in this range? The answer is simple. All three are wrong. There are only two representations which are actually possible, and those are as follows. First interpretation. Population mean has a 95% chance of being in this range for a random sample. Right? So the actual value, there's a 95% chance that's going to fall within this range. The second interpretation is population average will be within this range for 95% of the random samples. Because we always work on a sample, we need to talk only on those terms. If you work using random sample, 95% of the random samples would fall within that range. If it's temperature, for example, if you come up with a range called 23 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius, say, you have come up with this range. If I pick up a random value of temperature tomorrow, in 95% of those cases, it would fall within this range. That is what it means. Right? I can measure the temperature at 6 a.m. or 9 a.m. or 12 p.m. or 3 p.m. or 6 p.m. Right? Those are all my samples. This range should be interpreted in this way, that for 95% of such random samples, random temperature values, the population average will be in this range. All right.